welcome back to my channel. Akshita here and I hope that you all are fine. So friends, today I'm going to explain you about motions of the earth. Okay friends, so let's get started. So friends, first, now as we know that all the planets in the solar system revolve around the sun as well as rotate on its axis. So friends, like that only, our earth is also a planet which revolves around the sun as well as rotates on its axis. You can see this diagram of rotation and revolution of earth. Here is the sun and here the earth is rotating like this. Remember friends, our earth always rotates and revolutes the sun at anti-clockwise. Okay, so here it is revoluting the sun. Okay, and here it is rotating on its axis also. Okay, it is spinning on its axis. And here, as we know that the earth has a satellite called moon. Moon is the natural satellite of the earth. So the same as the earth does, that it revolves and rotates on its axis, like that only moon also rotates on its own axis and as well as revolves around the earth. Okay friends, so this was the diagram of rotation and revolution of the earth. So friends, our earth is believed, while moving on our earth is believed to be lying on an imaginary surface or plane called the orbital plane. Okay friends, so these facts of the motions of the earth were first discovered by Nicolaus Copernicus when he stated that the earth is not stationary, it just appears to be like stationary. So friends, this sentence means that we are sitting at a place, okay, we are sitting at a place or standing. So we are seeing everything, it is stopped at a position. So of course it is a stationary, but actually friends, our earth is not stationary because we see that but actually the earth is moving and rotating. So it just appears to be like stationary, but actually it is not stationary. Okay friends, so now there are different types of motions of the earth. So friends, first let's go on to concept of axis. Okay friends, let's go. Now friends, here is the diagram of concept of axis. Okay friends, now what means axis or what is axis? Axis refers to an imaginary line on which a planet rotates. Okay, axis refers to an imaginary line on which a planet rotates. Every planet has its own axis. Okay, on its own axis, every planet has, even our Earth has. So friends, our Earth axis is an imaginary straight line from the north and the south poles. Okay friends, so now this is the vertical orbital plane. Okay, this you can see these dotted lines. This is the vertical orbital plane and this is the axis, okay, of the earth from north to south poles. Okay, so between these two there is 23.5 degrees. That is why we say that the earth is in a slant position, which is from 23.5 degrees. So friends, you have a question that why is our earth tilted? So friends, now in the past 4.5 billion years ago, our earth was born 4.5 billion years ago. So when the earth was just born, a rock, or we can say an asteroid, the size of Mars crashed onto the earth. So our earth did not damage, but yes, it became at a slant position. Okay, it became at a slant position. So then the earth rotates around itself in a slant position and even revolves around the sun in a slant position. Okay friends, and friends, remember, because of the tilt axis of the earth, the seasons occurs. Okay, this was a Factopedia type of. Okay friends, so here I have now the angle at which the earth is tilted is known as the inclination of the earth's can note it down that the angle at which the earth is tilted is known as inclination of the earth's axis. Okay friends, and okay, now here we have learned about concept of axis. So then we go on to rotation of the earth. Now friends, what does rotation of the earth means? Rotation of the earth means spinning of the earth on its own axis from west to east once in about 24 hours. Okay friends? Now in one rotation, the earth covers its circumference. Okay? Now think how much kilometer will be? So friends, the circumference is about 40,000 kilometer. So friends, a question can come that what is rotation? So you can write spinning of the earth on its own axis is known as rotation. Now the second question can come that how much kilometer is the circumference of the earth? So friends, it is 40,000 kilometer, and I hope that you have guessed it. Okay friends? So now in one rotation, means the time of rotation is known as 24 hours. So friends, the time of rotation is considered as 1 day. Therefore, the time of rotation is also known as the daily motion of the earth. Okay friends? So now I have explained you about rotation of the earth. So friends, let's go on to the effects of rotation. Okay, effects of rotation. Now friends, effects of rotation has two effects. Okay, first comes phenomenon of days and night, and the second comes sunrise and sunset. So friends, first let's go on to phenomenon of days and night. Okay friends, now days and night are caused because of the rotation of the earth. While the earth rotates, the portion of the earth that faces the sun has day, whereas the portion of the earth that does not faces the sun has night. Okay, now friends, the imaginary line that separates the dark portion day from the light portion, from the dark portion night from the light portion day is considered as circle of illumination.